Welcome everybody, welcome to my channel, Lion Coding in the Attic. Today we're looking at lesson 2, which is part of unit 8 of the aggregation learning section. So we're all going to learn how to use the match and group stages in the MongoDB aggregation pipeline. Um, so what you have to do to use it is basically to have a match method first and then a group method afterwards. Basically, the first part is to find all documents that are matching a specific condition. And afterwards, you group this into subcategories. We'll see in a minute how to do that. Let's launch our lab. So we're looking at bird data today with a collection of citing. Let's have a look at what this thing looks like. So let's go to db.sites.find one just to have a look. Uh, oh, citing, sorry. Okay. All right, so we'll create an aggregation pipeline which will contain two stages. The first one is to create the match pipeline to filter documents with the target name, target bird, the eastern blue bird. Okay, to help me with that, I'm going to use the playground with the playground, the visual code. Mhm. So let's start this from scratch. Had a bit of a problem with this lab. I had to do it twice, so hopefully this time this will work. Sightings dot aggregate, and that was the method to use. We need to put this in a kind of array, and this is also within curly brackets as well. So the first part is the match method, which is match. So $ match, and what we're looking for the um, field value, which is the species common, and we're looking for the eastern bluebird. Okay, let's try and see first if this works. Okay, so we have every single entry with species common eastern bluebird, and we can see that we have different coordinates. Okay, so now that we have that, we need to group the documents based on latitude and longitude of the sighting stored in the location coordinates field. Okay, location coordinates field. Uh, Within the groups. Okay, so how do I do this? Guess I need to add the second stage of my um, pipeline, which will be the group method here. And we need first an ID for each group. And we are going to group it by the location coordinates, which is what we want to do. Choose coordinates. Okay, and And do within the group script a field to show the count of how many documents are in each group, number of sightings. Okay, so we're going to create number of sightings. Okay, and we'll use the count method to just count, guess the number of sightings. Um, Yes, that would be the location, right? Number with the same location. Let's try this. Location. So that is supposedly grouping. Oh, I need to pay attention to this. Remember that when there is a subfield, I need to put it into quotation mark. So we're grouping every eastern bluebird location that we've seen according to their coordinates. And we're trying to count the number of sightings according to the location. Uh, okay, let's see if that works. No. Okay. Syntax error. Uh, Is it ID? I wonder whether I've done this right. Yes. So I've got three, two. I'm not quite sure what my mistake is here. Um, okay, so you know what I'll do? I'll just copy and paste that into ChatGPT. It's here. VP. You fix it. Let's see what he says. Okay, so it says that I shouldn't use braces around it, around the group method, which, oh, the ID coordinate here. And here, the problem. And I should have, oh, I should have added the dollar sign. Um, Let's try to correct this. Here. Okay. Is there another mistake? Um, Sure whether this is right because in the lab they asked me to use count. Not sure whether he actually understands it well. Let's try and use what I've written so far and see how it goes. If I put it directly in the lab, Um, hmm. Oh no. Yeah, I did location, number of citing location. I need to look at how it was used before, I think. Hmm, um, I should use number of sightings and counts, just as it is. I do number of sightings and just count. That should use the location coordinate and count the number of times the same coordinates appeared, maybe. Not quite sure on this one, to be honest. Okay, so I was so slow that my session expired. I am having so much difficulty with this, but that's part of the learning process, right? Okay. Ooh, I've got a solution here. It has actually grouped everything by the number of sightings, one according to the location. It seems to make sense. Okay, let's have a look at the code. So, to database of citing. Okay. So we've used the match method. Okay. So it seems to be what we've just done. Okay. Okay, that's it. Ooh, good for us. We've managed it. Doesn't actually tell us what the, can we run? Okay, we've got the same results, not in the same order, but that's actually the same thing. So good. Right, let's move on to the next lab. That was a difficult one. Okay. I think what I have trouble with all the curly braces and all, it's always something that is quite difficult for me. I don't know why. Not too many curly braces around here. Okay, so we have a collection that contains zip codes in the United States. It's a simple document collection. Okay, so we've got the ID, the city, the zip code, a location with subfield X and Y, population and states. Okay, so they're asking us what will the output of this aggregation be? State, so that will find every entry with the state of California and group by zip code. Um, I'll group everything by the zip codes. Okay, so that's not this, not one document for each city located in California. That would be one document for each zip code. And number of document contain. So there's no counting here, so I don't think that's C. And I think that's B. One document for each zip code located in California. Oh no. Oh yes, that's correct. Good. And that what it says here, first match stage finds all documents where the state is California. And then the group stage groups documents according to a group key. Yep. The output of this stage is one document for each unique value of this group key. And in this example, the output is one document for each zip code because the group key is a zip code. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, let's have a look at the next question. It's the same collection here, and they're asking us what the output of this aggregation pipeline will be. So we're looking at, I think that's Texas. Yeah, Texas. Every entry with a Texas match, and we'll group by cities. So there will be one document for each city located in Texas, one document in all cities in Texas. No, because we saw that it would group for each city individually, and there's no count here. So I guess this is A. Yes. So what does it say? So first, the match stage finds all documents where the state is Texas, and the group stage groups documents according to group key. The output of this stage is one document for each unique value of this group key. In this example, the output is one document for each city because the group key is the city. Yeah. Okay. So let's have a look at the results. And with no surprise, we passed. Brilliant. Okay, guys, that's the end of this session. We've managed to go through the using match and group stages in the MongoDB aggregation pipeline. Hope you find this helpful. And if you have any comments, please comment below. Don't hesitate to subscribe to follow my progress. And I'll see you in the next video.